Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to allow your members to send links, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable link sharing in your Telegram group, making your community more interactive and resourceful. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your device. You'll need to be an admin of the group to change these settings. Start by opening the Telegram app. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to allow members to send links. You can find your groups listed on the main chat screen. Just tap on the group to open it. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's picture or name. Tap on it. This will take you to the group's profile page where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a little pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the group's editing mode. Now find and tap on the permissions section. This is where you control what group members can and cannot do. Permissions cover things like sending messages, media, stickers, and of course links. Inside permissions, tap on Send Media. This will show you a list of media-related options that you can enable or disable for your group. Look for the option labeled Links. To allow group members to send links, simply check Mark or Toggle on the Links choice. This will immediately update the group's permissions, letting members share links in the chat. That's it. You've just enabled link sharing for your Telegram group. Now your members can easily share useful resources, articles, and more, making your group even more valuable. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and adjust the permissions as needed. Keeping your group's permissions up to date helps maintain a safe and engaging environment for everyone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with these new permissions.